Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I am very excited to show you how to crochet this stitch. It is really nice texture. It is really perfect for summer projects and I have used raffia in my case, but you can use any kind of yarn that you want to. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. So this stitch is a multiple of 4 plus 1, so you're going to need 4 stitches for the pattern and 1 stitch for starting the row. So I am going to use a foundation cord and not chain stitches. So in my case, I want to repeat the pattern 4 times, which means 4 by 4 is 16 plus 1. So I'm gonna need 17 stitches for the foundation cord. So the foundation cord, I usually start like this. I have 1 loop, keep it with your 2 fingers, yarn over, pull through, and insert the hook here. And now you have 2 loops. And this is the first foundation stitch, okay? Now we start the first foundation stitch. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, and insert the hook and pull up. So this is 1. And then keep crocheting until I have 17 in my case. Insert the hook, 2 loops, then I have until now 2 stitches. 3, and so on until I have 17 in my case. So once I have 17 of them, I will pull this one through the second one, through the second loop. And now I am going to work 4 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now I am going to yarn over 3 times. Then I am going to insert the hook at the first stitch that I have here next to the chain. Pull through. So I have 5 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops and leave 4 of them. Then yarn over again, insert the hook on the next stitch, pull through, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again, insert the hook on the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So now I have 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna crochet 1 more, yarn over, insert the hook on the next stitch, pull through, yarn over and pull through this first 2 loops. So once now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches crocheted over here, then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to leave this last 3 here on the loop. Then I'm going to close the loops 2 by 2. Yarn over, close 2 loops, yarn over, close 2 loops, and yarn over, close 2 loops. Now I'm going to yarn over and insert the hook right here where I have this loop. With this loop I closed all the 4 stitches at the bottom. So that is where I'm going to insert the hook, okay? Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and close the last 2 loops. So I have 1, 2. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same place, pull through and close with like a double crochet. Then we have yarn over. This time, since we have 4 at the bottom and we have 3 at the top, this is the 4th one. And for the 4th one, I'm going to yarn over twice. And now I'm not going to insert the hook anymore here, but I am going to front through the, so where I have the first stitch here, I'm going to grab that one like a front post double crochet and pull through. So now I have 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And now we have the effect of the bow, like a twisted bow, right? And this is the pattern that we are going to follow. So I'm going to yarn over 3 times, insert in the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches. Again, 2 more times. So once I have the 4 stitches here, I'm going to yarn over, pull through 4 stitches, 4 loops. So now the last 4 loops, I'm going to crochet them 2 by 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now yarn over, grab this loop over here where we closed all those 4 stitches, and double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook again in the same place, and double crochet. So I have 1, 2, 3, and for the 4th one I will yarn over twice, and I will front post the first double crochet at the bottom, pull through, and now all these 4 loops I'm going to close 2 by 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and this is the pattern. So this is very easy. So I will continue until the end. So once I have all my bows crocheted to close, I still have 1 more stitch over here, so I am going to yarn over 2 times, and I am going to insert the hook at the next stitch and pull through, and I'm going to work at treble crochet, and this is how I will end the row. Then I'm going to do 1 more chain, turn my work, and I'm going to work all the stitches 1 by 1 with a slip stitch, but in the front loop. So then I will come back here and start over again for the next row. So I will skip the chain stitch, insert the hook on the next stitch, but front loop, and just crochet slip stitches. So just continue crocheting slip stitches through the front loop until the end. So in total you're gonna have, in my case, 17 slip stitches. And this is how it looks in the back, and this is how it looks in the front. So here it is. I will now turn and crochet this pattern 1 more time. So for that I'm going to turn my work like this, and I am going to crochet 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, and 3, and I'm just repeating the same pattern that I did here. So yarn over 3 times, and here now I am going to grab this first stitch over here, but not here at the top, but actually here, and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again. Now I'm going to insert where I have the second one, not here on the top, but I'm going to actually right here, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, and insert the hook on the 3rd stitch underneath, yarn over, pull through, again yarn over, and at the last one insert the hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So now I'm going to yarn over and pull through 4 loops, and close the last 4 2 by 2. Yarn over and here at the center, double crochet, a second double crochet, a third double crochet, and the fourth one, yarn over twice and front post at the first stitch that we crocheted here, and close the stitches, the loops 2 by 2. And here we are, and we have the same pattern repeated again, and I will just repeat the same all one by one, and again here at the end I'm going to crochet a triple crochet to close. And of course on the way back we are going to crochet slip stitches through the front loop, and we are going to have repeating this pattern as many times as you want to. So if you work over and over again, your pattern, it is going to look like this. And yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!